Hi builders, welcome to the booking app tutorial. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I'm your success coach, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add your calendar to your website. If you are going to add your calendar to your website that resides in Builderall, there is no need to use the embedded code. But if your website is on another platform, you can grab the embedded code and add it to the iframe. So right here on the dashboard, if you want to grab the embedded code, you can click on the three little dots and you're going to click on embed, and you're going to see here is the code. And if you want to copy it, you're just going to click it right here and you're going to take it to the other platform and you would be able to have it right there. If it is inside of Builderall, you're going to go to the website of your choice. You're going to open up a specific page that you are going to add it to. I'm going to click on this little button and it's going to open up a page looking like this. And I've just added two panels for an example. So the first panel, we are going to add it via the booking app element that you're going to find on the right hand side under elements. You're going to scroll down until you see the little icon booking, and then you're going to drag and drop it onto the panel, and you would be able to choose from all the calendars that you have available under the drop down. In this example, we only have the Builderall training. You can choose to show all the info or not all the info. And you can also go group specific. If you've got multiple groups and you click on group, you can also show just a specific group. But for now, we're just going to have it on all calendars and we're going to click save. Now you can see the calendar was successfully added to the page. Now, if you want to make it a little bit smaller, you can go to the general settings of the calendar by just clicking on it, and it's going to right click, and then you're going to go to full width, and you're going to remove the full width, and you would be able to actually change it according to the way that you want it to be on your page. Now, the other alternative is to make use of a button. If you don't want it to be on your site like this, you can go back to the elements area, look for a button icon. I'm going to scroll a little bit right there, and I'm just going to drag and drop it right here at the bottom. I'm going to scroll a little bit up, and now we can add it as a link. So when you're going to go back to your calendar, you're going to click on the little edit button, and it's going to open it up for you. And right here at the top is your link. You're going to copy that link, go back to your website, to that button, click on it, and then it says set link. Right here in this area, right at the top of the URL, you can just right click and you can paste in the link right there in that area. And then once you've done, you're going to click select, and then you can click save. And that is how you would create and add your calendar to your website, or if you want to add it to another website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you another. Bye.